Hello YouTube, welcome back to the shop. In this episode of What's in Yours, we're going to be doing some speed testing. We're going to be doing modes 1, 2, and 3, one motor, two motors, in modes 1, 2, and 3, and sometimes. Right now, the temperature is 80 degrees with about 3 miles an hour of wind. My voltage is 61.3. Alright, that was mode 1, single motor, top speed was 14 miles an hour. We're going to do now speed 2. Alright, that was speed 2, single motor, and the top speed of 21 miles an hour. Now we're going to do mode 3, single motor. Alright, so that was mode 3, topped out at 24 miles an hour. Now we're going to do mode 1, double motors. Alright, that was mode 1, double motors, top speed 16 miles an hour. Now we're going to do mode 2, double motors. Alright, that was mode 2, double motors, topped out at 36 miles an hour. Now we're going to do mode 3, double motors. Hang on, it's going to be a pretty brisk ride. Okay, YouTube, that was mode 3, dual motors, hit a top speed of 44 miles an hour. Again, my voltage was 61.9, 80 degrees outside, 3 miles an hour wind. So hopefully that gives you an idea of how this performs and what it looks like under all speeds and loads. 210, 6.2, full charge I mean, it's a rocket ship. Even though with this voltage, it was still fast as crap. A full charge of 67.2 volts, this thing will just skid tires, and it will easily hit 45 miles an hour. Now, I hit 44 miles an hour in about 18 seconds. So if that gives you an idea of what the speed is like on this. Well, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, subscribe, like, hit the bell notification button, and we'll talk to you later. Ride safe.